Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share another card kit with you from Simon Says Stamp. I just received my May card kit in the mail. So I'm going to open it up and I'm just going to share this with you guys. So here's the kit. As always, it comes in this little paper bag with a little sticker on it. And everything is packaged right in this little bag. I'm just going to pull everything out. And we're going to go through everything. Of course, the little lollipop. I'm getting like a little collection of these little lollipops. Okay, so I'm going to pull the little information sheet out here. This comes in the kit. And it says the kit includes one exclusive Simon Says Stamp Delicate Flowers 6x8 clear stamp set. And that is here a really pretty large set of stamps. Love these flowers. I am definitely going to break out my Spectrum Noir markers and do a few cards for you guys. So that is the kit. I love the flowers. It has a lot of little sentiments. Love everything about you. Thinking of you. You are so special to me. True friend. Miss you. You're beautiful to me. Adore you. So happy for you. You're amazing. Hello, friend. And love. So you can make so many different card themes with this stamp set. And flowers, they're always good to have. Okay, so that is that. And then you get 12 single-sided sheets of the Moda Scrap Let Your Soul Bloom 6x6 paper. And that is this. And I'm just going to open those papers up and pull them out. So this is the papers. They're single-sided, like it says. I love all of this. This is so perfect for Mother's Day, birthdays, or anything actually. I love this like watercolor like background, and even the flowers. So pretty. So you get some plains and also the printed cardstock. So I love that. Okay, and then also you get one bottle each of the Tim Holtz Ranger alcohol pearls in Sublime, Intrigue, and Tranquil, and one bottle of the alcohol blending solution. So I'm going to open this up as well. Go ahead and take these out. Okay, so this is your blending solution. Now I'm really glad I have this. I have a large bottle of this, but this is really good to keep right here on my desk when I'm doing a project. And this is that color Intrigue right here. I wish I had a piece of glossy paper out. I could kind of just drip them out to show y'all. Sublime, it's a green color, and then Tranquil is this blue. That is that. And then I can't wait to play with those. And you get one roll of the Carta Bella Flower Bouquet washi tape, and that is right here. Really fits in well with those papers and the stamp set. Okay, and then you also get 2 sheets of a 4x7 UPO paper, and that is this. This is where we're going to play with our alcohol pearl inks. And you also get 2 sheets of the alcohol ink cardstock in silver, and that's the Tim Holtz. Really, really pretty. 2 sheets here, really pretty. Okay, and you also get 1 each of the Simon Says stamp envelopes in metallic green leaf here. You get metallic cotton candy, which is the pretty pink, and then you also get the white one. And then you get 1 each of the Simon Says stamp cardstocks in the same colors, green leaf, cotton candy, and 120-pound white. And I like how smooth this white cardstock is. I bet you it would be good for your alcohol markers as well. But anyway, that is the contents of the May card kit, the Delicate Flowers card kit. And as a side note, I wanted to show y'all a couple of other things that I ordered as I was purchasing my card kit. And I ordered the Simon Says stamp sequins in raindrops. Just really pretty blues and iridescents and whites. Really pretty. And I also got the sequin mix in spring flowers. Really, really pretty peach and golds with iridescence. Really pretty. And then I also ordered the Simon Says stamp sentiment strips, and these are pre-printed sentiments that you can cut. They're really small, but these go really well if you want to cut them and add them to your card projects. And you get so many little sentiments here, and for all kind of occasions. There's marriage and engagement, congratulations, hooray for both of you, congrats to the happy couple, you tied the knot, wishing you all the best, man, congrats to my dear friend and your new spouse. These are really, really good because it's hard to find stamps like this, so these little pre-made cards are awesome. And here's one that says sending you a paper hug, big hugs and good vibes. Your hugs mean the world to me. Love your cuddles. Your hugs are better than coffee. This is just, I love these. You hit it out of the park. It's your day. It's Friday. When life is sweet, say thank you and celebrate. Celebrate all that is good today and every day. Just really, really, really nice. Just a note to say hello, hi, hello there, handsome. Just saying hello. Hello, sweetness. A welcome, little one. I just wanted to say hi. Well, hello there, sunshine. Just howdy. So I love, love, love that. So you can just cut them up as you need them and add them to your project. And then last but not least, I got the Simon Says stamp Congrats Grad wafer die set. You can reserve them now. I went on the website and you can reserve this one. When I first saw it, I had to order it right away because I just had a feeling that this stamp, this die set was gonna sell out pretty fast. So I definitely have a lot of little cousins and nieces and just relatives and friends who will be graduating, and this is the die set. Let me see. I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna go ahead and use my wire cutters and cut all my little pieces out. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies with this set, and I'm actually going to go ahead and cut some of these items out, and then I will be right back, and then we'll finish this video up. Okay, so I've clipped apart all of the dies, and I have these small little magnetic sheets that I actually made. I had mentioned to y'all before that I ordered some 8x10 magnetic sheets on Amazon. They were pretty cheap, and so I just cut them in strips, and then I added 2 pieces of heavyweight white cardstock on the back to make them a little bit more sturdy. And I have been using them to store my dies on, and I have them in this little plastic container that I just flip through them. So I'm adding this one. It's a little short for this die, but the container here that I have, it actually fits it. So, and I can still just flip through my dies. So that's how I've been kind of storing all of my dies. So anyway, let me get back to this congrats grad die set here. This is the little project all cut out. It makes like a gift card holder. So this little die here cuts the little tabs to hold your card in there, and it has these little lines here are just score lines. They don't cut through, they just kind of score. So you just fold the papers in on the score lines, and it makes this cute little card. And I know it's hard to see because it's all black, but there's the little tassel and the little button, and then the 2 dies for the word congrats. I cut those out and adhered them. So this is just really cute, and I knew this was probably going to be a really popular die set from Simon, so I wanted to go ahead and get it ordered right away, because I know sometimes with the more popular they run out really quick, and I didn't really want to have to be on reserve, even though reserve is a good thing to reserve it until it comes in. But I'm glad I got mine, and I will definitely be making some cute little graduation gift card holders for some of my friends and relatives. So that is the end of this, and it also cuts this the little cap right here. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link below to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.